Here is another STAAR question. This one is from 2016. It says, Thomas put a ham in the oven at 4:45 p.m. After 15 minutes, he put a cake in the oven. The ham and the cake were both in the oven together for 60 minutes. Then Thomas took them both out of the oven. At what time did Thomas take both the ham and the cake out of the oven? Okay. Well, I know I'm gonna have to keep track of all these things, so you could just draw on the paper, but I'm going to write it here. So what time did the ham go in the oven? 4:45. So ham. And then the cake went in 15 minutes after. Which one would be 15 minutes after? Well, I see that these are partitioned at 15-minute increments. So 4:45 to 5 o'clock, that's 15 minutes had passed. So the cake went in at 15 minutes later. Then they stayed in the oven for 60 minutes. All right, he took them both out. At what time did Thomas take both the ham and the cake out of the oven? The key word here to look at is together. The ham and the cake were in the oven together for 60 minutes. So were the ham and the cake together at 4:45? No, the ham and the cake were only together after 5 o'clock when he added the cake into the oven with the ham. So I can't start counting at 4:45, I have to start counting at 5. And if I know that they were in there for 60 minutes, I know 60 minutes means 1 hour. If I know that information, I can easily find out that he would take them both out at 6. But if I didn't know that, I could also count by increments of 15 and know that 5 plus 15 is 15, plus another 15 is 30, plus another 15 is 45, plus another 15, 45 plus 15, 5 plus 5 is 0, carry the 1, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. That would be my 60 minutes, which would leave me at 6 o'clock. So, what time did he take both the ham and the cake, so together, out of the oven? That would be 6 o'clock. We found that out. And let's see if we're right. Yes, absolutely, you got it. But see how they want to be tricky. 5:45. If you would have just looked at the time you put the ham in there, you could have seen that that might have been an option you chose if you didn't take the time to look at this word, together. That's what they're looking at. What time, how long were they in there together? What time did you take them both out? Look for your key words in the STAAR questions. They're gonna try to trick you, but you're smarter than that. Look for the tricks.